In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Printify pop-up store. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First off, let's talk about what Printify actually is. Printify is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to create custom products that are printed and shipped directly to your customers whenever they place an order. This is especially great if you're looking to start an online store without having to manage inventory or deal with shipping logistics yourself. Pop-up stores, in general, are fantastic for testing a market or showcasing limited-time offers. So combining these two concepts is a brilliant idea. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your Printify account. Visit the Printify website and check out their user-friendly interface. You'll need to click on the Start for Free button. This will allow you to create an account using your email, Google account, or even your Facebook. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, verify your email address and you're good to go. Next, once you're logged into Printify, it's time to explore the various products you can customize. Printify offers a wide range of items such as t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, and even home decor. Take some time to browse through the catalog and pick a few products that resonate with your potential audience. The key here is to choose items that align with your brand or the concept of your pop-up store. Now, let's move on to designing your products. Click on the product you've chosen, and you'll be brought to the Design tool. Here, you can upload your own artwork or text. If you don't already have a design, don't worry. Printify has a variety of design tools and templates to help you get started. Whether you're a seasoned graphic designer or a complete novice, you'll find something that works. Once your designs are uploaded, spend some time adjusting the placement, size, and colors to suit your vision. Don't forget to preview your product to see how it looks from different angles. This can really help ensure it meets your expectations. Once you're satisfied with your products, it's time to set up your online store. You'll want to choose an e-commerce platform that integrates seamlessly with Printify. Popular options include Shopify, WooCommerce, and Etsy. For this example, let's go with Shopify because it's straightforward and perfect for pop-up stores. So, sign up for a Shopify account if you don't have one yet. After that, you need to connect Printify to your Shopify store. In your Printify dashboard, navigate to the Manage My Stores menu and click Add New Store. Choose Shopify and follow the prompts to link your accounts. Once linked, you'll be able to push your design products directly to your Shopify store. Now, it's time to set up your store's layout and design. Shopify has numerous themes to choose from, and customizing your store will help establish a unique look that reflects your brand. Add essential pages like an About Us, Contact, and even a FAQ page. You'll want to ensure the navigation is easy for potential customers. Don't forget to set your prices. You'll need to choose your profit margin on each item, which is crucial for ensuring your business remains sustainable. Think about how much you want to charge over the base print-on-demand cost to make sure you can cover any expenses. As you get closer to launch, consider planning a marketing strategy to promote your pop-up store. Utilize social media platforms to share sneak peeks of your products, and consider running a giveaway or special promotion to generate interest. And of course, remember to announce your launch date. This is crucial for building excitement leading up to your store opening. Utilize email marketing and collaborations with influencers or fellow creators to broaden your reach. To wrap this up, once everything is set up, go live with your Printify pop-up store, monitor your sales, and be ready to engage with your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide to creating your Printify pop-up store was helpful. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe and hit that